All right, I just want to make a quick video on how to solder an LED onto a board. You see the LED is here on its top, it's flipped over so that you can see the bottom. You see the little T. The flat part points to the positive side, and it kind of looks like the symbol in the middle. You'll notice the way that this is drawn on the board. There's also a side of this pad that has the drawings that have kind of corners that are at an angle. That's the negative side, and on an LED, you see this colored part is also on the negative side. LEDs are polarized, so you want to make certain they go to the right side. I just use a small amount of small amount of solder just to tack it in place, and if I need to move it around, I will. But once it's in place, then I can actually do the rest of the soldering. To do this, I want to use a little bit of flux because the flux will make everything flow well, and I want to get a good connection both under the pads and on top of just the lip of the LED. LEDs are plastic. LEDs will burn if you use hot air. So in my opinion, the best way to add them to a board is to do it either hand soldering. You could use like a heating pad, but that's often not practical. Um, but with some flux and just a small amount, you don't need much. The goal here is just to put enough flux and enough solder to make everything connect to the board, connect well, and not anything extra. And there we have it. Perfect LED addition to a board.